Hey, we're here at the Danish World Championships in footbag. So,
Certainly, most certainly.
what's happening now?
Right now, nothing is going on. People are showing up a bit late. It's only me and Asmus and you right now. So, I guess in a couple of hours we'll be jamming real hard.
It's gonna be a blast this year.
It's gonna be a real showdown. The best of the best.
Wow. Classic. You have been in this game for many years. What do you expect from the Danish National World Championships?
Of course, I expect some really good players, and I have a goal of not being last in routines this year. That's my number one priority, so I'm taking everything really serious.
Okay. I think that Denmark is in the top three nation in Europe right now.
Definitely.
Definitely. Yeah.
Together with England and Sweden.
This is national shower, the toilet at the World Championships in Denmark. So what are your expectations for this championships?
Lots of beers.
But we are among the three best nations in Europe right now. Will we be
Are we?
the leading nations soon after this championships?
Cool. What's
Uh,
your expectations?
It's gonna be a blast. And I think we have maybe seen something getting built up during the last years, and now it's gonna explode.
Culmination.
Now it's gonna explode.
Many years of hard work.
Yeah. So, what do you expect from this championship?
I expect we're gonna get a huge show up and a fancy event show, and everybody will play their best and will have amazing routines.
How was the goodie bags?
Goodie bags were very nice. We are very grateful for the sponsors, and all the snacks really helped improve the game yesterday. So that was nice, and hopefully people have some snacks left so they can also manage a proper athletic performance today.
Super.
Yes,
You're stunning. I hope you will do your best.
Definitely.